When do you use beard oil? Is I know the question we get asked as soon as people ask, we answer whether or not you need to use beard oil. Using beard oil becomes largely a personal preference as your beard grows out, but as your beard is growing out, it becomes really important. You want to use your beard oil at least once a day. You want to start normally, most people start when they get out of the shower. You towel dry your beard, and then you're just going to want to apply a couple drops of that beard oil into your hand. Don't just pump it onto your face. Just pump it into your hand. Rub your hands together just a little bit, warm it up, and then you're just going to work it in. Once you work it in, then you're just going to brush it or comb it, and you do the same thing with your mustache. So that's basically how you want to use it. The longer your beard gets, the more beard oil you're going to use. And you can also use it more times throughout the day, depending on your environment and length of your beard and things like that. If you have a really dirty job, you might need to use it more as well. So that's that question.
So Jay, how often do you use beard oil yourself personally?
I personally use beard oil once a day. I use it in conjunction with a couple other things. I will use beard balm or beard butter with it because I have a really dry, coarse beard, so I have to use a little bit more. And my beard is a little bit longer too. It's not as long as Israel's for say. I wish it was, but so yeah, at least once a day when I get out of the shower, I'll use beard oil. Like I said, if I'm when I get home, if I'm outside working or sweating a lot or something like that, I will use it again in the evening once I get cleaned up for the evening.
So you're a beard oil balm or a beard oil butter guy all the time?
I'm a beard
Yeah.
oil butter guy all the time. So
See, I'm just primarily just a beard oil guy for the most part. I don't have that curly beard. I occasionally use beard butter like at night, like if we're out riding and I'm hitting the sun all day and the dust and all the good stuff on the motorcycle or something like that. Like I'll use it as a nighttime leave-in conditioner or something like that. But for the most part, just being in the office, it's just beard oil every day.
Yeah, I think environment plays heavily on that. There's people that are in a humid environment, you got cold environment, you got everything in between. Guys that work with cement, welders, things of that nature. I mean, to Hall's point, I say once a day, definitely, to start your day off. I personally do it twice a day. I do it once in the morning to hit the ground running, and then once at night before I crash out.
Use beard oil like that?
I use beard oil. Yeah. So in the morning, I call it my day pack. Is beard oil, beard balm. Balm helps keep all the flyaways reined in on, especially when you get a little bit longer. And then the beard butter I use whenever I go to sleep at night. So I do oil and butter after showering and then go to sleep to keep my everything conditioned. So
Definitely. Chris Helen in chat says, "Can you over oil, and if so, can it be bad for your beard?" I wouldn't say it could be bad. You can over oil. If it's just general rule of thumb, if your beard looks greasy, you use too much, and that doesn't matter what product it is, from our beard lotion to our butter to our balm to our oil. If your beard looks too greasy, that's you just use too much. A little goes a long way for sure.
great.
yeah, and if you are using too much consistently, I mean, at the worst, you're gonna maybe have a little bit of acne breakout or something like that. But you'll definitely know, like Jay says, if it feels greasy or looks greasy in the mirror, you're definitely using way too much. So always start small and work your way up with bigger quantities as you feel like you need them.